Peppa Pig. Peppa loves yoga. It's been a very busy morning at playgroup. Peppa and her friends have played instruments, dressed up in fairy clothes, and made the messiest of crafts. Now we are going to say hello to a visitor, Madam Gazelle says. Ooh, gasped the children. They wonder who the visitor is. Bring, bring, the visitor is at the door. The children can't wait. They start to cheer. The visitor is Miss Rabbit. The children jump up and down excitedly. Namaste, says Miss Rabbit, putting her hands together and bowing slowly. This is how we say hello before yoga. What's yoga? Danny Dog asks while waving his arms. Yoga is a way of relaxing, Madam Gazelle explains. It's a bit like having a rest, and if you're feeling stressed, relaxing with yoga is a great way to calm down. Peppa and her friends stop jumping. Namaste, they repeat and slowly bow toward Miss Rabbit. How to pronounce namaste? Na, me, stay. Madam Gazelle is right. The children feel a bit calmer. Then they follow Miss Rabbit outside. Everyone sits on a mat outside. Now touch your fingers and thumbs together and close your eyes, Miss Rabbit says. The children do. Everyone breathes slowly through nose to the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, says Miss Rabbit. Breathe, the children. Next, we will do 3 pose, says Miss Rabbit. Stand on one leg and be as still as a tree. Everyone copies Miss Rabbit. Put your leg forward and bend into a warrior pose, says Miss Rabbit. I think this one is like being a surfer. Everyone steps forward. They like being surfer. You'll like this next one, Danny, says Miss Rabbit, putting her hands on the floor and lifting her tail into the air. It's called the downward dog. Then the Miss Rabbit stretches up like a snake. And this one is called cobra pose, she explains. Finally, Miss Rabbit lowers her voice and whispers, Now we must rest. Lie down on your backs while I count very slowly. 1, 2, 3. It's time for children's parent to pick them up. We have been doing some yoga, Madam Gazelle explains. It looks very relaxing, says Daddy Pig. Yoga is relaxing, says Madam Gazelle. I think we should do it every day. Everyone loves yoga.